Another day, another sweatshirt, people. I wish I was kidding at how many sweatshirts I have, but I'm just a sweatshirt gal. I guess I really like to keep it cozy. It's like rainy today. We want to be in a chill vibe. Do we want to be fun? Do we want to be colorful? Gray's the coziest color. We all know that. Ooh, maybe we want gray then. Okay, I think we're gonna go with a gray. Hello and welcome to this vlog. I feel like I haven't worn this sweatshirt in so long. I feel like I always go for Max's gray brown hockey ones because honestly I just think they're kind of cuter than this BU one, but we have to rep BU sometimes, so I'm just trying to be cozy. If you can see from the window over there, it's like literally rainy and I just want to like chill and watch movies all day, you know, those type of days. And honestly I deserve it if I'm being real, because I feel like I've just been so worn out. I'm still feeling just like really worn out, and so I'm like, Gretchen, as much as you don't want to like take a day off of working out, because working out keeps me sane and is like my me time and literally just therapeutic, and it feels like not like my time being selfish, but in a way, yeah, because I'm just like putting myself first and like choosing me and like keeping my promises to myself. I'm getting deep over here, but I just like love my workout time and it gets my energy out, gets my mind right, gets the endorphins pumping. But I've been feeling really worn out. I'm not drinking enough water, I'm not being hydrated, I'm not sleeping enough, because it's just been like go with the move, and I'm trying to like get everything done, but also it's not a rush, so I need to chill, trying to like get all of our furniture and all our art up and like everything like that, everything together. So yeah, we're gonna chill today. I'm gonna cook myself a healthy lunch. We're gonna cook lunch together right now. Max is working out. Can I flip this around? I don't know why I'm talking in the like I was saying, Max is currently working out. He'll be back soon. It's lunchtime, so naturally I'm making lunch. He's just gonna love that lunch is gonna be ready for him when he gets home. This is currently happening. Someone else is feeling the rainy day vibes. You gotta love Brody, come on. You guys can't get enough of the content. Are you serious? Also, in my mind, you can like tell, but obviously this isn't a thing, you can't. But I just put a fresh new memory card in my camera that I haven't used before, so that's just like really personally exciting for me, and I feel like it makes this footage extra like crisp and fresh for you guys, but I don't think there's literally any way that you would know that, so that's just exciting. But right now we are making a spicy maple chicken. I'm so excited because I haven't had this one before, but it is so up my alley, you guys. This picture looks so beautiful. I'm gonna try my best to make it look like that. I feel like I'll get close. And it's with mashed sweet potatoes and roasted green beans. Literally like my favorite foods. Just keeping it like really simple. I love a veggie, I love a protein, I love potatoes. Max knows me and my mashed potatoes, especially sweet potatoes. So good. So you guys know I have been cooking with HelloFresh for literally years now, like through college. I just love the recipes so much. It's always so yummy, and I definitely have my favorites just from cooking the recipes for so long that I'll get like time and time again. But I love trying new ones like the one I'm doing today. And the best part, I mean, obviously, is that it just cuts out the stressful meal prepping and planning, making sure you have all your ingredients, everything like that. It just takes so long, you know, if you're trying to do a recipe all on your own, and this will literally come together usually in around 30 minutes. I know they have even quicker ones that you can make in like 20 minutes. I think this one is 35 today. So it won't be bad at all. And I know they have something for everything. They have low calorie options, vegetarian, family friendly. And the best part for me is, you guys know I'm all over the place and like just moved here, and I have to make sure I'm like here the day that my box gets delivered. Like mine got delivered today, just in the nick of time. It always knows when to get here when I'm literally out of groceries and like hungry. So yeah, the best part for me is that you can change your delivery day whenever you want. You can skip a week whenever you need, change your food preferences, because now I think I went back down to a serving size for like 2 people, but when I was back home in Albany, I had 4 people just because I had my mom and my sister and there was more of us there. So it's just so convenient for me that I can like switch any of that whenever I need. So if you guys haven't tried out HelloFresh before, I would so recommend, like seriously, there's not a better time than right now. So you should definitely try them out. I'll have them linked down below, and you guys can use my code GGYT80. I know, for $80 off your first box with purchase, and you'll get free shipping. So go to HelloFresh.com for more details and to redeem, and let's get cooking. I'm so excited for this one. I'm so hungry. so drama.
Looks amazing.
You like?
Amazing.
Your fork's a little dirty because I used to move the
That's
chicken on your plate. Okay, I need your first reaction.
Oh, cuts like butter.
He's being dramatic today. Okay. Imagine you were like, Gretchen, the chicken's raw. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy I cooked it all the way through. That's my biggest fear is like raw chicken. Does it have a kick?
A little kick?
Oh yeah, because there's like a maple syrup, crushed red pepper on top, and it's really good.
Yeah, it is.
I already know my favorites are sweet potatoes. It reminds me of Thanksgiving, you know?
Oh, sweet potato souffle.
Guys, again, GGYT80, HelloFresh, link down below. That's all I gotta say. You already know. You already know the deal. And after, we're gonna finally hang up. I was gonna say, I keep calling them prints, artwork, whatever you call them. We're gonna hang those up. Mac's gonna help me. And in my last vlog, I left it on a cliffhanger saying you'll see it in this vlog. So you will see it in this vlog. Guys, is this anyone else when you eat with your boyfriend? Me versus Max.
It was horrible.
You hated it? Does anyone else have to take off their sweatshirt when they're cooking and eating? Like, I'm just like, whew. I also think I'm hot from the crushed red pepper on the chicken. It's just making me hot. But I realized you guys definitely saw my little cooking montage that the chicken, this is so embarrassing, Max, that the chicken was in like a cake pan and the green beans were in like a banana bread loaf pan. Because I finally ordered cookie sheets and they're coming today, but they're not here yet. So yeah, just moved in, probs. Do you guys like relate to not having the right pans for things? We're getting there. We're just not there yet.
Rome wasn't built in a day.
No, it was not. Guys, this went horribly wrong. Because and now the walls are like marked up. We've learned these walls are like butter. Like this is just from the back of that piece like sliding on the wall. So we cannot get these to go straight up against the wall with the command strips because see how this acrylic casing isn't like touching it? So when you push on this, it's not really pushing on the back of it to go against the wall. So yeah, these aren't gonna work. And on the other one, we took off these little metal hooks so that it would lie flat and it still was like not staying. So we actually have to do this the way that I didn't want to, with like screws or anchors or nails or however we do that. So command strips were a fail, not for these. This one's my favorite. What about you, Max? Because you know they're kind of different. The other one's more like geometrical and this is more like wavy. Like I like this one better. You didn't notice the difference? Are you chewing on the level? Brody?
Wavy.
Yeah, we both like this one better. Do you guys notice how they're different? I like that they're not exactly the same, but like similar. I wish they didn't have these like acrylic cases. Oh, also, after taking off the little packaging around the edges, found out this had a big crack in it. So that's cool, but hopefully you won't be able to see it. And I don't know, you guys. Like I wish we could take these off because they're screwed in. Then there'd be like holes, and I feel like it's because it's probably like, I don't know, just fragile, so I want to keep it on. Oh man. In rainy day vibes, we watched a movie. Also, it's like nighttime. I feel like I'm so disoriented because our schedule's all off. It's 8 o'clock, but we probably, they can't even see your face. It was like this. We probably started at like what?
As you can see, we didn't get the post.
No, it didn't happen. That's really sad. I've talked about it for like weeks. But we started this movie called Greatest Game Ever Played on Disney Plus, like actually forever ago. And then just now we finally finished it and we were crying. It was so cute at the end.
When did we start it?
Like maybe months ago. Oh, hi.
Like.
Wait, oh, his butt showing.
Blur it out.
What are you doing?
Censored.
What, honey? Are you in a mood?
Put a link to his OnlyFans.
It's funny because I swear when I literally still don't know what that is. It's funny because whenever I show him, he's in his like rambunctious mood. But little do they know, he slept literally right here the whole movie. And now he's like acting crazy. But oh yeah, so we started it maybe like 2 months ago, but we just finished it. And
I think we started it when we were in your apartment still.
Wait.
Out in the living room?
Wait.
On the pullout? Or did we not? No, that was the basketball movie we watched.
Oh, yeah.
Maybe not.
If you guys remember what
I forget when.
is talking about in my old apartment in Boston, we had a pull-out couch in the living room, and sometimes we would have like fun movie night and we'd like pull out the couch and like watch it out there. But I think you're right, and I think we did watch it in my old apartment. So it's September and we started this movie in June. Yeah. Or May.
No.
Yeah, because that's when I moved out of the apartment. I think we started in June. Whatever, we just finished and it's really good and you guys should watch it. And it gets really, I'm like, how am I gonna like cry? But at the end it got so cute.
Good
so
movie.
Yeah, you should watch. I think I'm approaching a 9 p.m. bedtime over here. Woo. Yeah, that's all I have to say. Go watch a movie. It's good. Good morning, buddy. Guys, he looks so cute right now. I think he's so excited because I just woke up. I haven't even looked in the mirror yet or like brushed my teeth or anything. I literally just woke up and I'm not even telling you how late it is. I can't believe how late it is. Like, I legitimately slept. I'm like overtired. I slept for 12 hours, Brody. I don't know. Well, I do know I slept for 12 hours. I was definitely just like really overtired. But yeah, I guess I will tell you how late I slept. I went to bed at like 10:30 and I slept till 10:30. And I looked at the clock and I was like, I can't even believe that I slept for that long. But it feels really good. I definitely needed it. Like, you know, the days that you sleep so long and you're like, whoa, what year is it? But you like needed it, you know? Guess he just had his first puppuccino. I feel really bad I forgot to bring you guys
A puppuccino.
But I'm gonna insert the video that I took on my phone right here. Brody, look at buddy.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. He's going crazy. Oh, he's gonna fall. He was so happy. He's so big it hurts to like hold him down. Okay, he wants to get down. But he was so happy. I feel like now that he's had his first one, he's just gonna want them all the time. Like, he was actually going crazy. And you guys, we saw on the menu, pumpkin cream, or what is it called, Max? Yeah, pumpkin cream cold brew. And it has, is the pumpkin cream the foam on the top? I think I'm getting all confused. What's cold foam? Is this cold foam on the top? You guys see, it's all like cinnamony. I don't want to like pour it out. Like, I don't know if you can see, but it's really good. I like it. I'm guessing the cream is like real cream, so I bet I'll have a stomachache, but that's okay because that's really yummy. And yeah, oh, I wish I brought you on a Starbucks ride because Brody was so happy, but you saw the little video I took on my phone. It's like 70 something today. Yesterday was so rainy. I feel like I am kind of overdressed, but I wanted to be cozy and warm and like fall vibes. So I'm wearing this sweater from Forever 21. It's really old, but it's like so cozy and warm.
Forever 21?
Yeah. And these leggings are Lulu.
Are they still in business, or they finally closed all the shops?
Oh, I don't know. I forgot about that like a lot of stores were closing. But these are like the most comfy Lulu leggings. And now we're going to attempt to hang our art pieces again. Whenever we try to do anything handy around here, we just like severely underestimate how easy, or how like the difficulty. Like, we're always like, oh, it'll be so quick and so easy, and it never is. Right as you think.
What if we
you're done?
I have an idea.
Move them down?
What if we just flip them around so the hook's on the bottom? Would it still work?
No, it won't hold on that way. We're so close, you guys. And then just found out the hard way that these hooks on here, I think we just assumed they were the same height from the top as the hooks on these ones, and they're not. The hooks on these ones to hang on to the little things on the wall are lower than this. So when we leveled it all out and had them at the same height, this one was shorter, if you could see. So now we have to move the holes up on the wall.
Oh, those aren't.
Oh.
Or they can just go on the wall like this.
Oh man.
Good
We could get some.
Good job.
I wonder if we could get some stuff in there on the side, some of that putty or whatever. Oh my, these pains in the butt. Okay,
Yeah,
so the
exactly.
couch is like pulled out a little bit, so it's not
Look at the
exactly how
vacuum.
it's gonna look because yeah, we drilled so many holes in the wall that there's like a bunch of dust on the ground, but they're a little bit higher than if you can see the mark right there, that's initially where we wanted them. But Max said that he measured because the little hangy things on this one are 5 inches from the top, and on this one they're 8 inches from the top. Let me know how that makes sense. So yeah, he said he measured with this one but then hung this one, so that's why it's higher up than we wanted, but it's fine. Hang on, I'll let him vacuum for a sec. That's like a little bit of an issue. Max vacuumed, moved the couch back. This isn't really centered on the wall or under the paintings. I don't even, or whatever, you know what I'm talking about. I don't even know if these are centered on the wall. We tried. What I was saying was kind of the issue was this hole that this like anchor in the drywall is in. You can see because it got a little bit bigger than we initially planned. And I'm sure it will bother me, and I'm sure no one else will notice unless I told you. And right as you get to like here, you don't even see it anymore. So I guess only if you're looking at them from this corner, you will really notice it. It's okay, right?
Great.
And I tried to wipe off all little pencil marks all around them. I think they're fine. Do we like this? Now I'm like second guessing everything. I'm like, are they big enough for this wall? Should I have put them up and down right here?
They ain't coming off now.
Yeah, they're really not because this took us so long. Can you guys comment down below what you think?
You're overthinking.
I think I'm overthinking it. Like they look better in person, I feel like too. With like the whole vibe of everything. Like I think they're good. Definitely thought about putting them here though, like on top of each other, and then in our bedroom, like one next to each other like that. But I kind of am thinking something big right here, like a black and white photo of us or something like that, because I think I want to put this, our room is like messy right now, but like, if you guys remember that star constellation that Max got me for our 1-year anniversary, I think I want to put it right here, so then in our room it could be like sort of like black and white photos. I don't know. Maybe, just maybe, in our next vlog we will finally put up the rest of the curtains with our curtain rods. But Max and I were, Max was having a full-on freak out with the one in the living room because it was way harder than we thought. So I suppose we will see if, yeah, the other rooms ever get these ones. Oh man, I feel like this has been so long now. See, what do we think when we're sitting, and we were saying it's kind of better that they're higher up than lower, because then when you're sitting here, your head doesn't hit them, right? But I just like love them so much. When I saw them in Home Goods, I was like, these need to be a part of my life. And I feel like a lot of times with Home Goods, you guys, is if I just found these at a Home Goods, I think I found them at Home Goods in Albany, you could probably find them at yours, so it's worth a shot trying to see if they're at yours. But yeah, like we like them, right? I think I'm overthinking it. I'm gonna end off the vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.